Good morning, lovelies. Hope all of you are doing well out there. I have had some comments about my hair and how I style it. They requested videos on it, so I thought I'd take this moment to talk to you about it. As you can see, my hair this morning does not appear to be very curly. It's because it's been a few days since I have washed it or styled it. So you can see I don't have real curly hair. It's more wave than curl. So how do I get my hair to curl? So I'm going to show you a few tips this morning on how to get wavy hair to curl. First of all, you can tell my hair is not all one length. It is cut in layers. My hair is real thick, my hair is real coarse, and my hair is real dry. So it's taken me a long time to figure out what works for my hair. So these products that I'm going to show you, they're going to work more for people that have thick, coarse, dry hair. It doesn't matter if you don't have a lot of curl, just a little wave, and it should work for you. So let's get started on this. Thick, it's heavy, and if my hair is real heavy, it will not curl. If my hair is real dry, it will not curl. So moisturizing your hair, if you have dry hair, is very important in getting the curl. Now I use this Loreal Ever Pure shampoo. It's really, really good for dry hair. And also the moisture conditioner. And I actually picked these up at TJ Maxx. They seem to have a better price on them. I think maybe they're $14.99 each bottle. So let's get started this morning. We're going to start with shampooing my hair. And then after I shampoo it, I'll show you the secrets. So stay tuned. As you can see, I have shampooed my hair. So let's see what kind of products I use. Okay, y'all, this is what I use. Loreal Ever Pure Sulfate Free Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. Strictly Curls Lotion, Biosilk, Silk Therapy, and then TRESemme Mousse. So this is the products that I use. I'm not saying that these are the best products, but I'm saying they work for my hair. So you may have to experiment and see what's the best products for your hair, because everybody's hair is different in texture and dryness and oiliness and so forth. So let's get started. Okay guys, I'm going to take it out of the towel and see what we got. What do you think? You think that's going to work? And I'm going to do may surprise you. I'm going to take my Ever Pure Moisturized Conditioner and I'm going to pour about a quarter's worth out into my hand. Now that was a little bit much. About that much. Now when I shampoo my hair, I use about 4 to 5 times more than that. And I take it in my hands and I work it all through my hair. Especially these underneath layers here. And when I'm working it like this. And I let it stay in my hair about 5 minutes. And then I'll let it set for about a minute and then I'll go back and I do this. So usually my hair is wetter when I do this because I do this right when I'm getting out of the shower. But just want to take it and put it in the dry places that you may have. My dry places is right in this area. And of course my ends. You don't really want to put it on the roots because that's going to flatten it. And right in here I have a dry area, so I'm going to kind of just do that. And right here I have a dry area. The sides of my hair here in the front are always dry. So the main thing is getting some moisture in that hair. And if you notice, I'm not pulling it down. I'm taking my fingers and I'm lifting it up as I work this into my hair. And so yes, I'm going to leave it in there. It's not a leave-in conditioner. And it may not work on your hair. But on my hair, that's one of my secrets. if your hair is not real dry like mine, you may want to try a leave-in conditioner. But that don't work on my hair because my hair is so dry. So I'm just going to work that in. I'm going to kind of lift it a little bit over this area of my crown, because right in here I have a problem with my hair splitting. You may not have that problem, but I do. Okay, after I put in the conditioner, I put in some Strictly Curls Curl Defining Lotion. And then I just take about that much. There again, rub it in my hand. You see how I'm lifting it, squishing it up. And especially the areas that tend to frizz, which would be my sides right here. So I'm just going to squish them up. And now we're going to leave it alone to air dry, unless some of you may want to style the very top of your hair. And you can do that if you'd like. But if you want to leave all this up here natural, then just squish it up with that gel or the curls, Strictly Curls. And just let it air dry. Now if your hair is not as curly as mine, because my hair used to not be as curly as it is now, you can take some clips and you can scrunch it up and put that clip in there until it air dries all around your head. So if your hair tends just to be wavy and not that curly, you may want to do that, because at one time that's what I did. But my hair as I age is getting curlier, which is a good thing. I used to try to fight it, and I get all the straighteners, the Brazilian blowouts, flat irons. And then I came to a point, I thought, I'm tired of this. I'm just going to see what it'll do on its own. And I was pleasantly surprised what it did on its own. So you never know unless you try it, how much curl really your hair has. Because I used to think my hair was wavy. Because you know why? Let's see if I can find it. Well, let me see. Oh. You know why? I'd use a brush. Don't use a brush on your hair. This removes the curl and it freezes it out, because I used to think I had wavy, frizzy hair. But when I quit using a brush, I found out I had curly hair. So let's stay tuned for some more tips. And now I'm going to let it air dry. Do not touch it after this point until it's dry. Except maybe just to squish it like that from time to time. But don't do anything else to it until it's dry. When I have some problems with some frizz, this is when I use this Biosilk. And I just use it right in the areas where I see some frizz coming on. Right there, on the sides. So I'll just take a little bit and put on the ends. See how I'm squishing it up? Just put it on the ends where you have a problem with frizz. Just a tiny bit, just a tiny, tiny bit, because it's real oily. Okay. This is the part, my hands are slippery. This is where I put that clip. I'll put it back in and we'll just see how that goes as it dries. Now some of you may say, well, I really like my hair styled on top. Well, that is fine. You have to style your hair. I love this. Don't know what name brand it is. It just came like this. I went to one of those things where the store where they have everything in a bin. And you just go through the bins, and every day the price changes. Well, I got this for $3. Don't know who it's made by. It just says high, low, cool, and off. So I'm going to use this. I love this. I'm going to put it on cool. Okay, that's all I'm going to do with that for right now. So it's not all the way dry. It's still damp. So that's where we are right now. I have used the shampoo, the moisture conditioner, and of course when I was in the shower and used it, I did rinse it out. And then when I got out of the shower, I put, like I told you, about a quarter size pinch in my hair. And then I used the Strictly Curls, and then I've used the Silk Therapy, and have dried the top just where it's damp. So we're going to leave it alone now until it's air dry. It's been a few hours, and my hair is pretty much dry. 90% of it is. So now I'm going to get the curling iron out and show you how I style my hair. Rusty peek out, and I kind of just back belt that at the top. Okay, this is the side I had the clip in, as you recall. And this side did not have a clip. So can you tell a difference? Unclipped, clipped. There's a little bit of difference, but not much. Okay, but you see how it did help the frizz. It's not as frizzy. Okay, so now we're going to get our trusty curling iron out. And I'm just going to curl this around my face. I'm doing it backwards, away from my face. And I usually just put a little bit of hair in because my hair is real heavy and real coarse. So that's all I'm doing. It's just curling the front part of my hair with a curling iron. And the rest I will just leave natural. And I don't even have to do this. But there's that side. Now I'll check out the other side and just curl it in small sections. And like I said, the main thing is that because my hair is heavy, it is in layers. If it was all one length, it would not curl this well. So if you have heavy hair and would like to have curls, you may want to consider getting it in layers, because it makes a big difference in curling your hair. So that's pretty much all I do. Most of it takes place right after I shampoo it, and that's just making sure it has a lot of moisture. Okay guys, that's pretty much what I do to my hair. I don't use hairspray because my hair is so dry and it tends to dry it out. If I need any extra hold, I tend to just use a little bit of mousse. But I don't use it every day. I just take it and put it in my hand and scrunch my hair up. That's the main thing, is scrunching it up, lifting it up. There it is. That's how I do it, y'all. That's how I go from wavy hair to curly. Hope this helps you. And see you next time at Our Sweet Home Life. Bye.